Hi, my name is Luke, and this is Setting Up Partitions. If it's your first time installing Windows onto a hard drive, Windows installation will give you the option to set up partitions. However, if you want to set up partitions on an already existing drive or an external hard drive, you're going to need a piece of software to do it. The one I'd like to use is called Partition Wizard Home Edition. It's available for free on the internet, and the easiest place to get it is from MajorGeeks.com. Simply go to MajorGeeks.com, go down to Drive Utilities, and under Featured Software you'll see a link for Partition Wizard Home Edition. Click on it, download it, and install. Once you have the program installed, run it, and click on Mini Tool Partition Wizard. Once it loads, it'll show you all the available drives that you have and the different partitions on them. You can see the free space as well as the unallocated space. To create a new partition, the option won't be available initially because you can only create new partitions on unallocated space. You first must take an already existing partition, right-click, and then hit Move Resize. Once you've moved or resized the partition to the desired amount, the unallocated space you'll be able to make a new partition on. And that's it.